Nisambula Vanaka. I've just returned from a trip to Fiji where I've taken part in the ordination of the new Bishop of Polynesia, Sione Ulu'ilakepa. Archbishop Sione has been principal of St John the Baptist Theological College in Suva the last few years. Prior to that, he's had significant involvement in parish ministry spanning back through the 30 years of his ordained ministry to date. So the Diocese of Polynesia welcomed their new bishop and a new archbishop for our province with great joy and hope and expectation. It's nearly 2 years since Archbishop Aotearoa died. It will be in July this year, so I think the diocese is feeling ready to take new steps ahead with a new bishop after that long period through COVID to work through an episcopal election and to get to this date of ordination. The service was at Holy Trinity Cathedral in Suva, and I have to say it was pretty hot, but fortunately I had brought my trusty fan with me, so that along with a little bit of water supplied during the service got us through just fine. It was a 2.5 hour service because not only did we ordain our new bishop, but he was also then installed as Bishop of Polynesia and finally was recognised as one of the 3 archbishops forming the primacy of our church in this province. The President of Fiji was in attendance, which brought great honour to the ceremony. A good number of bishops from Aotearoa, New Zealand were able to attend, and I always think it's good to do that, to show our collegiality and support as a new bishop begins to find their way in this new ministry. It was a quick trip in and out, whole day travelling on Friday to get across to Suva, the ordination service on Saturday, and then on my way home again first thing Sunday morning. But very, very good to be there. Pleased to be able to recognise the links that Auckland and Polynesia have in very particular ways through not only the large Pacifica population in Auckland, but the number of Diocese of Polynesia congregations that there are here in Auckland. So looking forward to working with new Archbishop Sione in the future to strengthen and build those partnership links in ministry that we share. Join with me, please, in praying for our church's new Archbishop, the new Bishop of Polynesia, Archbishop Sione Ulu'ilakepa.